Good evening. Anything that we discuss today is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights using live streaming technologies. So follow along as I navigate the markets by trading in my own account, and hopefully you will learn how I analyze the data in real time to make trading decisions. The purpose of making this video is to analyze Nifty options open interest data. We are going to be analyzing Nifty on multiple time frames, and we are going to be framing a view for 2nd December, that is tomorrow. Apart from the index, we would be discussing our stock watch list. So let's analyze Nifty options open interest data. So max pain for 3rd December weekly expiry has shifted from to 12,950 to 13,000 level. So if market was to expire at 13,000 level on 3rd December, then option writers are going to suffer the least amount of losses, theoretically speaking. And if we see the overall open interest data, you will see that more amount of puts have been written versus calls. So almost 3 crore 50 lakh shares of puts have been written versus 3 crore 2 lakh shares of calls. And if we see highest amount of open interest in puts is at 13,500 strike and 13,400 strike. And if we see the puts, highest amount of open interest lies at 13,000 strike as well as 12,900 strike. So it gives us a broad trading range for 3rd December weekly expiry contract of 13,500 to 12,900 levels. If we analyze Nifty on multiple time frames, you will notice that today multiple time frames have opened today. So a new monthly candle has started as well as the new weekly candle has started today. So the monthly open of 13,062 is the same as our weekly open as well as our daily open for today. And you will see that market is under control of buyers as it is currently trading above its open on monthly time frame, on the weekly time frame, and if you see the daily time frame. So today above the open at 13,062 levels, we had time frame continuity to the upside. We had a situation in which buyers were aggressive in lifting the offers. If you can see the intraday chart of 15 minutes, so if we see today's open, so above today's open, market was under control of buyers. And if we analyze what is likely to happen based on the daily time frame, here you will see that market is made a higher high, higher low, and today again a higher high and a higher low. On the weekly time frame as well, market has been making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and last week was also a higher high and a higher low, and today a new week has started. So we are currently in an uptrend, and based on the daily time frame, we get the following scenario for 2nd December. Above 13,109 levels, market can trade towards 13,128 levels, 13,172 levels, and potentially 13,229 levels. And on the flip side, below 13,026 level, market can trade towards 12,962, 12,918, and potentially 12,861 levels. And 13,109 to 13,026 is a neutral price range in which one can refrain from making any trades. The stocks that we have chosen for tomorrow are Hindu Unilever, Muthoot Finance, Power Grid, and BEL. So these are all inside candlesticks. So we look for buying opportunity in Hindu Unilever above 2,159.1 levels, or we'll look for selling opportunity below 2,129.5 levels. If we see Muthoot Finance, we'll look for buying opportunity above 1172 levels or selling opportunity below 1139.9 levels. And if we see Power Grid, it's again an inside candle. So we'll look for buying opportunity above 196.55 levels or selling opportunity below 191.55 levels. Our final stock is BEL. So we look for buying opportunity above 112.9 levels or selling opportunity below 110.2 levels. Before ending this video, I like to summarize that we are in a broad range of 13,500 to 12,900 level based on the overall open interest data, and above 13,109 levels market can trade towards 13,128, 13,172 and 13,229 levels, and below 13,026 levels market can trade towards 12,962 levels, 12,918 levels and potentially 12,861 levels. And max pain for 3rd December weekly expiry has shifted to 13,000 from 12,950 levels. And our stock watch list comprises of Hindi Unilever, Muthoot Finance, Power Grid and BEL. These are all inside candlesticks, and they are formed when there is an equilibrium between both the buyers and sellers. So we'll look for breakout of today's high-low range. So if these stocks trade above today's high, which in tomorrow's context is going to be previous day highs, we'll look for buying opportunities. And if these stocks trade below today's lows, which in tomorrow's context is going to be previous day lows, then we look for selling opportunities in these stocks. Finally, I would request you to see the description section of this video. There you can find links to all our recent blog posts, and hit the like button, share this video, subscribe to Digital Trading Flow YouTube channel, and once again, thank you all for watching.